Life's too short for heartbreak. Is the magic real? Well, that, dear listener, is for only us to know.
Shipwreck. Write a sequel.
Dear Will. And I'm off to find a wench.
Dear Will.
You told our story so the world could know.
Dear Will.
Then all the love we felt was full and true.
Dear Will.
Tell the globe at whose hands we fell.
Dear Will.
Please share our stories unto you.
Say my name, let the world know I am breathing and my heart will keep on beating. I am loving, I am dreaming. Say my name, tell the story to the globe. Give them glory, give them hope. In the end they all should know to say my name. Dear Will, we wrote our stories, we've sung our songs. Dear Will, we've had our triumphs, we've righted wrongs. Dear Will, if we could ask just one more thing of you. Oh, when you tell our stories, tell them true. Say my name, let the world know I am breathing and my heart will keep on beating. I am loving, I am dreaming. Say my name, tell the story to the globe. Give them glory.